All right, so what we're dealing with is kind of a mixed bag of precipitation. All that means is that at any point in time, you could get one or two or even three types all at the same time. Now, yesterday it was a mix between cold rain and also that graupel, which you've probably heard a lot of over the last couple of days. Graupel is basically a snowflake starts up in the cloud and then super cooled water droplets, which basically just means water well below freezing that hasn't frozen yet. It needs something to stick to. Well, it finds those snowflakes, and the minute they contact, boom, a little bit of an ice pellet there. Very soft in nature. It's not quite hail. It doesn't form the same way as hail, but it is something to just kind of see and experience. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. And we got a lot of it yesterday, even some accumulation in some spots. Today, we have that chance for it again. We also have the cold rain, but also a little snow. You see what we have up north in Indiana, a big swath of snow going through areas like that. Just crossed Indianapolis. It's kind of moving down into Kokomo and then eventually going to move out towards Cincinnati. So, yeah, there will be some snow in some of the northern counties over the course of the next few hours. But for us, we're kind of waiting. We're in between all of that, so we have a little warmer air to work with. We're not going to quite get down to freezing for a lot of us. So it's going to be a timing issue, but it's also going to be where that snow shield does fall. Anything that does fall out of the clouds will melt on contact or briefly collect before melting. Keep in mind that our surface temperatures are going to be above freezing all day today. So not a big deal for us, just an interesting weather day to say the least. We've certainly got the cloud coverage overhead. That doesn't go anywhere until later on tonight, if not even tomorrow morning. But we do get high pressure tomorrow. It's short-lived, but it's enough to bring back the sunshine. And with the winds out of the south, we will warm up in a big way. In fact, from the 40s or even the 30s today up to the 60s tomorrow. That's a big jump. And then we just keep going up. We're all the way into the 70s again by the middle of the week because we do have another active weather pattern getting going. So winds out of the south will keep warming us up. It will also keep bringing in the moisture, which will set the stage for some very active weather days coming up. On the future track, we'll put it into play. This kind of goes over the next 24 hours. You see how into the afternoon it really picks up in coverage, but also in intensity. There could be some heavy showers mixed in with this. The high terrain in the southeast may pick up a little bit more snow than everybody else, but really it's not going to be a lot of accumulation, and whatever does accumulate will go away pretty quickly. But overnight tonight, we're clearing the clouds out almost immediately, and that'll let that temperature plummet. So if you remember, we've been talking about cold mornings. Today, we're kind of in the frost category. Tomorrow morning, freeze category. There's already a freeze watch in effect for a lot of our forecast area because of the fact that we have these freezing morning temperatures tomorrow. As far as what rain we could pick up throughout the course of the day today, really not a whole lot. Really, the better chances for rain come up throughout the course of the week, especially Monday into Tuesday and then basically all week after that. So very active weather after a one-day break. Sunday is going to be a nice day. Enjoy it while we have it. Not that things won't be nice at some point throughout the days coming up this week. It just is going to be one of those you have to dodge a few showers or thunderstorms even, especially on Tuesday and again on Thursday. Friday should be another one of those one-day breaks before getting back into it over the weekend. But notice the temperatures. We're not getting back down to the 30s or the 40s. We're going to stay in the 70s and only cool to the 60s for the start of the weekend.